This video is sponsored by Train World, America's discount model train store since 1968.
Hey everybody, it's Jimmy from the DIY and Digital, and today we're doing a model railroad op session. Welcome back everybody. This video is sponsored by Train World, the closeout kings of the model railroading world, America's discount model railroader since 1968. Check them out at trainworld.com. I just ordered some stuff from them. They are awesome. So today, no tutorial, nothing like that. We're running my model railroad, so let's go ahead and get started.
There are 4 industries on my railroad: a fuel dealer, a team track, a distributor, and a factory. And each one of these has pickups and drop-offs for today. There's also a coal train and a manifest train that the local has to navigate around. The local, hauled by NS 7138, pulls into the industrial area. The first thing it must do is back off the main line. And then wait for the coal train to pass. Once it is passed, it needs to do a runaround move to get in position to switch the factory. Now the train can begin its pickups and drop-offs at the factory. First, the train grabs the pickups, and then it does the drop-offs. Now the yard did a poor job of blocking this train, and the 2 deliveries are separate within the train. The first car, which is a box car, is all the way at the end of the train. And the second one, which is a covered hopper car, is in the middle. Once that's complete, it's off to the next stop for the local. Here at the distributor, we have 1 pickup and 2 drop-offs, all of which are box cars. Here at the distributor, we have 1 pickup and 2 drop-offs, all of which are box cars. Once that's complete, the train does a runaround move so that it can be in position to switch the next two industries. Now, per safety rules of the railroad, the train must stop and wait for the manifest to pass, because the activity that it is participating in is fairly close to the main line. Now it's back to work. The next industry is the fuel dealer. We're going to be dropping off one car and picking up another. This industry requires precise positioning in order to be able to unload the cars. And now we can pick up the empty tank car. At last, we can head to the team track for our final pickup. The tank car is left so that the hopper car can be dropped off. At the team truck, we're taking 3 pickups and we're dropping off 1. Team tracks are really great for model railroads, especially if you don't have a ton of space. You can service all sorts of different types of cars on team tracks because they're meant to serve multiple industries that don't justify having their own separate track. So you can load them with a ton of different cars. We can now drop off our 1 remaining car. And 7138 is done. And after a long, hard day of work, the local can head home. So that's an op session on my model railroad. Pretty simple, pretty fun to operate. Thank you guys so much for watching. First of all, I would like to mention that I do have a new listing on my Etsy store right here, on sale, price right here. Go ahead and check that out. And I also want to say a special thank you to my patrons. I have them listed right here as well. And thank you to our sponsor, Train World. You can check them out at trainworld.com. If you haven't already, go and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any updates like this video. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Stay safe and happy railroading. This industry requires precise precision. This industry requires precise.
awesome all the way through the 10,000 subscriber giveaway and more. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Oh, I forgot my Patreon.